currently in downtown Ketchikan, but I much prefer to be up there. It's pretty hard work so far, more to come. So I've been told there's gold in these are hills, so I'm just looking out for it now. Good job I brought my thermal layers, otherwise I risk really getting cold halfway. Let's crack on. Just keep thinking I see gold everywhere. I mean, look at this. Is this gold? Is that gold? Are you gold? This is now getting pretty sketchy. We're up here. We're getting nearly above the tree line now, and we're, I'm not sure if you can see, but encased in fog. Well, we made it up to the summit. Unfortunately, it's just complete fog that side of the mountain behind me, but it's a bit better this side. Okay, we're currently on our way kind of around the side of Deer Mountain to go and see Blue Lake. Now, I'm dubious as to how blue Lake's going to be. I mean, all lakes are pretty blue, aren't they? We'll see. Getting up right now. Half an hour ago, about that way, I was in a lush summer meadow, and that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is snow. Well, here we are, 4 hours trekking to see Blue Lake, and let's be honest, I mean, it looks like any other lake to me. Bluey, greeny kind of thing. Fuming.